Okay, I will ask you about this color. What color is this?
Green.
Okay, green color. What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Red.
Okay. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, good.
Yellow. This is drum. This is red. This is red. This is green. This is pink. This is purple. This is purple.
Okay, now can you count the things here?
Kalian jagain ya. Punya kami ya. One. Terus kamu? Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Pak, sebentar ya Pak. Cari pensil kakak jatuh.
Okay, now count the things you have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My name is Dava.
Well, listen to me. Okay, take yellow. Okay, all of you, take one yellow. Yes. And then take the green color.
This is green. This.
Okay, where is green?
This is green.
Okay, good. Now take purple.
This is purple.
Okay, where is purple? Okay, good.
Purple.
Now show me where is brown.
This is brown.
You have brown color?
This is brown.
Okay, good.
Pampu Pak, ke Pampang. Nanti abang mau tangkap ke Pampang tuh. Gatel. Itu ada satu lagi. Kalau di
Now count the things you have. Kakak hitung.
Pak, apa? Pak, abang ke kelas dulu bentar ambil buku
How many? 11. Okay, you? How many colors do you have?
Pak, dito.
How many colors do you have?
One,
Two.
three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay. Okay, 10 colors. You?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay, 6 colors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 colors. Okay, good. You?
1, 2,
9. Okay, 9 colors. You? Ya, terus. Oke, abang mau lagi terus. Coba abang. Oke, 6 colors. You?
Abang enggak.
4, 6. Okay. You? Brother Naufal Sani? How many colors do you have? Okay, count.
Manjat pohon.
One.
Sama pegang ini. Green.
Okay.
Ke sini. Ini Pak, awas yang ada pengawal.
One. Seven colors. Okay.